The collected cocktail solution will be split amongst the 5 tubes in this example. PCR tubes are provided in strips of 4, so if you need 5 tubes, use 2 strips of tubes. In this case, to amplify actinin 3, 24 microliters of cocktail solution is added to each of the 5 tubes. Before adding DNA to the PCR reactions, make sure that the tubes are labeled. Make sure all DNA samples are mixed before transferring the solution. One microliter is a very small volume, but you should still be able to see a drop in the tip. Put the tip all the way into the bottom of the tube and pump up and down on the plunger before expelling to the second stop. This helps to ensure that the 1 microliter of DNA has been expelled into the reaction. Cap the tubes tightly and flick to mix the samples. Use the mini microcentrifuge with the 8-tube strip head to collect the solution at the bottom of the tube. It is good practice to always mix and collect solutions before every step, especially if the solutions have been sitting for a while. Turn the thermocycler on with the switch in the back. Place the tubes in the thermocycler by pressing the metal latch and lifting up on the lid. Tubes can be placed in any spot or orientation. Close the lid and make sure the metal latch has clicked into place. Heat cycling programs have already been programmed into the thermocycler, so all you need to do is run them by pressing the Proceed button. Use the horizontal arrows to navigate to the program of interest, in this case ACTN, to amplify the actinin 3 locus, and hit Proceed. The heated lid should be enabled by hitting Proceed to prevent extreme condensation at the top of the tube. The thermocycler will ramp to the initial temperature and begin timing the incubation. It is good practice to make sure the machine reaches this step with no errors. After it has initiated properly, the machine can be left while the reaction proceeds for several hours. Once the run is complete, the cycler can be turned off by simply flipping the switch in the back of the machine.